Hey everybody, Gary here from Tech Review Ireland, and Cade Meal Falls you 100,000 welcomes to where we will be doing tech reviews and news Irish style. No. Today we'll be reviewing this LED strip from LED Light, who the f*** knows, could be either of them. But after the serious downturn of my last USB power strip I had behind the TV, this I have big hopes for. So let's jump into the video, set this bad boy up and check it out. So let's have a look what's inside the box. You have your power socket, plug, you have some setup instructions, some sort of Wi-Fi adapter, you have some screws and then you have this bad boy. Let's see what's inside. Yes! Look at this. Okay, so let's get to install this thing. There's no instructions, so I'm just going to assume this goes here into the Wi-Fi connector for downloading the app. Make sure this arrow matches up with the arrow on the Wi-Fi thing. And there you go, folks. You have some serious RGB LED action. You also have another connection here in case you want to daisy chain some other LEDs to it. Yeah, this one's looking good, folks. So we're just going to download the app now using the QR code. It's called Magic Home Pro. Click the plus button, add a device.
The sun is sky bright like fire.
You and me gets higher and higher.
Cut off communication via.
Only thing can stop us is flat tire. Hey, love crusader, I want to be your space invader. For you I would descend the deepest moon crater. I is more stronger than Darth Vader. Obey me, I is your new dictator. For you is Venus, I am Mars. With you I is more richer than all the Tsars. Make a wishes on a shooting stars. Then for you I will play on my cosmic guitars.
Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your belt seats. We has commenced our descent. I trust you enjoy this flight as much as you enjoy this acting.
Now back on Earth, it's time for a down splash. Into sea of eternal glory my spaceship crash. People have arrived for to cheer me from near and far. And as I float, I open door and shout.
So there we have it, folks. The LED strip from LED Light gets the big thumbs up from Tech Review Ireland. Congratulations. It remains to be seen whether it will stand the test of time, but it's looking good so far, and you can check out the link to the Amazon shop where I bought this down in the link below. I have big plans for this one. I'm going to change the position when I change my TV from the floor to the wall, so pop back on then and I'll give you an update on how it's going. So if you found this video helpful in any way, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and or don't. Thank you, we're out of here. The lights out, aluminum ammonium. Oh. Why is it so hard to make a video?